Give the example of this Bishan. Bishan's brother, Vishal studied here. Bishan's sister, Viveki also studied here. Not Viveki. What is her name? Bishan's sister name. K was there. But I forgot her name. But among these three, he has done the best one, right? 3.61. It's not a joke. Even Sulabh also has done much better. Your brother and you, hey, remember, here is a comparison. Her brother and her is here. She is here. Next year, this Sharma family. First brother, Joy, then Pooja and Biru. I think Biru. Oh, Biru. What's Biru? Pooja and Joy. Joy is here. I think his performance may be better. Next one, first Pooja, Poojan and Poojana. Yes or no? And here, Mama, right? Rai, what is it? Brother. Viraj, Casey. And here, Sornia, Bumrel. And other also are written here. Oh, that side, only corner. Sarvesh brother. Sarvendra. So there is always comparison how they will do. So students are preparing. What are they preparing? Some questions, sample questions themselves, and preparing today. This screen also seems very light and lovely, right? Okay, so there was heavy rainfall. I think now monsoon has started in Kathmandu, right? So don't forget to carry gumboots if you have one. So you can use gumboots and walk on the roadside. Hello, silence. In one place, one person will speak. Everybody speaks, then that is fish market. Macha, sidra, bagate. What is it? Huh? Ashwin, Karthik, Simesh Morgan. Yeah, so let me see the oldest one who is there. First of all, I have to check who has got the duty. This Purnima or this, what is your question paper? Yeah. At first, yeah. Good, that's a good news to this one. Our question will be discussed today. Okay. MCQ. Which of the following steps require 5 sense organs to detect in scientific learning? This is MCQ. What are the options? MCQ without option. Gadi without engine. Student without bag. Without bag also come. Oh, I forgot my bag. What is your question? Your question is invalid. Make correct question and bring tomorrow. MCQ without option means what is that? People, they will be to Allah. Yes or no? Hey, why are you biting your nails? Ice cream? Okay. That side, whose duty was there? Okay, those 10 students, please stand up. Okay, one, Srijal, Sujan, Lanis, Pujana, Sornia, our Sasank, Acharya, Luniba and Sonis. Let me check. Okay, your question begin valid. Make again and bring. Okay, I will just check here. First of all, these are not here. You Simresh Mardhan. Simresh Mardhan, he made pass. So you made yourself or others? Who's? Sonis. Okay, Sonis is pass. Now next one. This are Deepak Bora, Akan Naksal, Vibhuta, Simresh Mardhan 2. Karki Srijal, pass. Lanis Acharya, pass. Pujana Shrestha, pass. Lanis Acharya again, Pujana again. Sushil Chand, Viveki Kesi, pass. Sasank Acharya, pass. Luniva, pass. Nyasa, Raju also you have to prepare. Oh, Nyasa, Sornia Kesi, pass. On that much? Which? Oh. And Naruto. Lanis Acharya again. Ritika Mardhan. Which is that? Viresh. Previous one, okay. Eunice Gissing, Jane Lama, Simresh Maharjan, Arina Gubaju. Finish. Susan Koyal, Prajwal Maharjan. What is yours? Upward gun, upward gun. Upward way to come. Simresh, Sujan, Desara, Deepak Segide. What is your this one? I'll find out. Sujan. Sujan.
Just like it's
Presentation on up first. Preparation one, prepare first time and this one. This one, let me check. First one, why do they keep this background? Oh, he's okay now. Oh, what is this? Is there animation? What is this? What are you doing? I'm confused here. So we'll discuss this question first, right? Let me download and check. And take out your copy as well. Excuse me. Take out copy also. Some questions I will tell you to copy and later on you have to do. Otherwise you do like theater, watching movie and going. What do you do? We went to class. We saw one whiteboard. In front of whiteboard there was one smart board. One feature teacher was moving here and there. He just told something with it. Okay, slide show. Listen. Exam 2001. What is this? Year gap. This one. What is this?
so that mistake.
On this side, you have to take that blank. I think you did two-sided slide, isn't it? Because of that. Which term is used to describe the variable that is dependent on changes in other variables? What is that? What term is used to describe the variable that is dependent on the changes in other variables? What is that? Depending variable. What is that? Depending variable. What is the rate of doing work out? Power. Which of the following is a derived unit? Derived unit. Mole, candia, hertz, and hertz. This type of question don't make a boy. The following is cannot produce fruit. This is also pangi pangi and this is also like what is it?
I think mango.
Now look at here. What is this? So small. Which group of the following has a pair of pinna? Vertebrates, invertebrates, chordates, mammals. How many simple eyes does the bee have? 3. Which of the following is found in the chromosome? DNA, right? Which part of blood helps in transporting oxygen in our body? Where's the option? Your friend is there, Sushmita. Question without option. Where? Number 8 is here. Here number 8, nothing. 9. Which of the following is the value of G at the equator of the earth? Equator. 9.8 meter per second square, 9.83 meter per second square, 9.81 meter per second square, 9.87 meter. Which one is it? 9.78. At equator, 9.78 meter per second square. At poles, 9.83. Okay. Which of the following is equivalent to 1 Newton force? 10 to the power cube, 10 to the power 4 dynes, 10 to the power 5 dynes, or 10 to the power 6 dynes? 10 to the power 5 dynes. 1 Newton equals to 1 Newton equals to 10 to the power 5. Oh, not power. It should be, yeah, 10 to the power 5 dynes. Right? Okay, this is the one. Next question. Okay, very short questions, which are a bit important. I will just tell you to copy. Later you have to solve. First question is here. What is SI unit of gravitation? Newton. Define capital G with its value. How do you define capital G? The force of gravitation between two unit masses separated by unit distance. Capital D is defined as the force of gravitation between two unit masses separated by unit distance. What is the value of capital G? Yeah. 6.67 times minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Define our thrust. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
What is the role of density in the flotation of bodies? Define global warming. So, okay. Yeah, from here write down these two questions. You in your rough copy you can write now, and after some time I will tell you to solve. The question number 2 and question number 5. Question 5 copy. Now think for ACA. Now your turn. Understand? Express, don't copy from your friends. Understand and do it. You have got gurus. Next question is here. Question number 3. What does the question say? What are derived units? What is this? Short questions.
Yes, sir. You said 9.
Oh, number. What is plasma? Do you know?
Yes.
What is heart attack? What is heredity? What is evolution? What are control variables? From here, you take this one. One is, what is plasma? Because now we have to give focus on the writing as well. Okay? All right. Otherwise, I could call you, okay, explain this and that, then it could take more time and no practice at all. I think you have covered, right? Now let's go to next one. Question number 3. Short question means 2 marks, right? What are derived units? Give 2 examples. Can you do this one?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Read the question. Cold-blooded animals. What do you mean by this? Cold-blooded animals means their body temperature changes according to the surrounding temperature. If the surrounding temperature increases, temperature goes up. Otherwise, it goes down or remains same. Whatever is the surrounding temperature. Question number 3. What is the question? Define apiculture. How does male bee develop from unfertilized? How does it develop? So, if the larva of unfertilized egg gets royal jelly for 3 days, and the remaining days, honey bread or bee bread, then it changes into male bee or drone bee. Remember, if the fertilized egg forms larva and if it gets royal jelly for 5.5 days, whole time, then queen bee is produced. From unfertilized egg, there is larva, 3 days royal jelly, remaining days bee bread, that is drone. From fertilized egg, worker bees. I remember. Question number 3 done. Question number 4. What are dominant and recessive traits? What is crossbreeding? Can you do? Yes. What is high blood pressure? What is heart attack? Can you do? From here, question number 2 and 4. What is the question? Question number 2 and 4. You please copy it. 2 and 4. Copy it right now in your rough copy. Later on, find out and express. Completed? Not? Sorry? Last question. Here, what are dominant and recessive traits? And question mark, right? Question mark is missing. Okay, question mark is missing. Can I go to next slide? Question number 6. Define global warming and climate change. What is the effect of gravity on a falling object? Still Newton's law of gravitation. And here must be 8 questions. No, not 8. 14 questions should be here. Short question should be how many? 14, eh? You wrote only 7. So 7 questions missing means your punishment is? No, long there must be 7 questions. Short there must be 14 questions. The punishment is again you have to make how many questions? 7 short questions. Now punishment is like that. For lazy bones we have to give more work. Then becomes active. And don't forget to have a dietitious food, which provides you more diet, nutrients. Question number 4. Read the question. What is here? Tides occur in oceans but not in lakes. What is the effect of gravity on falling objects? Under what condition does the body experience weightlessness? And then you can solve this one. Can you? Number 2. What is here? The moon has no atmosphere. What will be the gravitational force between two bodies? Mass of each is double and the distance between them is half. So the calculation. Can you do this one? So could you remember how to solve this one? It was given like this. So let the mass of two bodies be m1 and m2 and the distance between them be d. What is the distance? Then gravitational force F equals to how much? G m1 m2 by d square. This is first condition every time. When by question, what is given? What is increased?
Two bodies if the mass of each double.
By question, mass of each body is doubled and
the distance between them is half.
the distance between them is R. HALBED, right? Then what will happen? We write here F nu. What do you write? F nu equals to capital G. M becomes 2m1. Why 2m1? Mass is double. One mass is double. Another 2m2. And distance between them is half.
D by 2.
D by 2 whole square. See, relation is there. 2 to the 4 G m1 m2 by d square by 4. 4 goes at the top. 4 times 4 G m1 m2 by d square. 16 G m1 m2 by d square. But m1 m2 by d square, is there something? Then
16F.
so the gravitational force increases how many times? 16 times. So this relation you have to remember. Always it is constant, same. Afterwards, what is the relation? You have to show it. Okay? Hey, remember. So what is second one here? Prove that U equals to W2. W2 means weight in air minus weight in water. Weight in air always more than weight in water. Whatever the difference you find out, that is the upthrust. So for that you have to draw a diagram and mention it. Eh? How do aquatic animals use UIC? What is this? Use upthrust in their daily life. Actually, aquatic animals use upthrust for swimming or balancing. Yes or no? Otherwise, they will sink. Okay, here is next diagrammatic question. What is the question here? Study the diagram and answer the following questions. Which part pumps blood into different parts? Which part? Then this one. This one. What is this? Aorta. Aorta pumps blood into different parts of the body. Which part brings blood from the lungs to the heart? So pulmonary artery. So no, pulmonary vein is B. Pulmonary. Listen. Aorta carries the blood away from the heart, and pulmonary vein brings the blood from lungs to heart. And next one, here are these two. They are called superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. They bring blood from different parts of the body to heart. Number 3, which part blocks the backflow of blood from right? Okay. So this part is here. This is called tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve blocks the blood moving from right auricle to right ventricle. He made this a bit big diagram, that's why it became a bit difficult, right? And which part has the thickest valve? This one. Left ventricle. It has the thickest valve, so that it can pump out blood easily. Okay. What is question number 5? How can we conserve endangered animals? Describe the effects of climate change. Here you have write some points. 2 points you can write here, and 2 points you can write here. Mendel selected pea plants for his experiment. Describe briefly in why. Mendel selected pea plants for his experiment. Why? 2 marks. Why did Mendel select pea plants for his experiment? There are also What are they? Look at the book once. Its life cycle is short. Hybrids are fertile. It has got many contrasting characteristics. Yes or no? And both cross pollination and cell pollination are easier one, easier or convenient one. And describe briefly in vitro fertilization its major steps. In vitro fertilization, enlist 4 characteristics of mammals. No, it's this one only. 4 characteristics of mammals. If we mention that is okay. Because 3 features of reptiles, if we start writing, it will be very long. Yes or no? Okay. From here, again, I'll tell you to copy some questions. Question number 1. What do you copy? Question number 1. Tides occur in oceans but not in lakes. What is the effect of gravity on falling objects? Under what condition does the body experience weightlessness? Develop the habit. Okay, this is next one. Question number 5. Question number 5. What is question here? Yeah, 5 and 6. Please copy now. Question number 5 and question number 6. How can we conserve endangered animals? So you have write 2 points and describe the effect of climate change. 2 points. Mendel selected pea plants for his experiment. Why? Describe briefly in vitro fertilization and its major steps. These 2 questions, 5 and 6. Come on. What's the time? It's nearly 10. 20 minutes time is there. Within that time, you have to complete these all. Start doing your work.